Big old fat trout. Look at him. Ate the freaking 8-inch NLBN, dude. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be fishing the Port Aransas jetties, and we're also going to be giving y'all some tips and tricks on how to catch big fish at the jetties. For me personally, I like to start the morning off by walking all the way to the end of the jetty and throwing some big lures up along the rocks. I'll either start off with a big spoon or a big swim bait. In this case, I'm starting off with the 8-inch NLBN swim bait. NLBN makes one of my favorite swim baits because it looks exactly like a bait fish and it attracts a lot of predators, especially jacks and redfish. So tune in to find out what we catch in this video. Just skyrocketed out there. I don't know what it was. A lot of bait in here. Water's not great. About a 7 out of 10. See if anything's here. Gotta be some here. Maybe. Either a red or a big trout, probably. I probably need to go smaller than if you're getting hits. Oh, what the? Oh, dude, I just got nailed right there. You see the swirl? Something's hitting, but they're not jacks. Something like redfish or big trout. He just had a hit.
Oh, there you go.
Is it a jack or what is it? Probably a red, huh? Looking like he's throwing an NLBN, but
5 out of 10.
Came off.
No, he still got it.
What is it?
It's a trout.
It's a big trout.
Yeah, it's a big trout.
Give it some time to give it that wave. Damn, I guess that was a trout that hit this again.
That's the big one here.
Don't fall. My buddy's got a big old trout. There's something hitting this lure too. Don't fall, dude. Oh, there's something. Oh. Something just hit this freaking NLBN. And I want to say it's a freaking trout. Oh my gosh, is that a freaking trout, dude? It is a trout on this big NLBN. No way, dude. Look at that freaking trout. Oh my god. Look at this trout. This freaking trout hit the big old NLBN. That's crazy. It's a freaking stud trout. Popped you or what? Got it? Sheesh. Big old fat trout. Look at him. Ate the freaking 8-inch NLBN, dude. That's wild. Dude, yours is bigger.
Yeah.
Yours is way bigger. Well, like fatter, dude. Freaking big old trout are nailing the big lures. I caught mine on an 8-inch NLBN. Chris caught the bigger one on a 5-inch NLBN. It's freaking trout. Too big to keep, but I'm gonna get him back right now. Gators.
24.
All right.
24. This is just fucking fat.
24. How long was it?
27.
27. Nice. Big old gator trout. Gonna get it back, get another one. Ah.
I don't know. It hit it on the way down. It don't feel like a big red. It was just literally sinking. I don't know what this is. Might be like a damn ladyfish or something. Or a Spanish. I feel like it's snagged, whatever it is. Hard to tell. It's weird. Something. Can't see it though. Probably a big Spanish, I think. No, Spanish would have ran. I have no idea what it is. Spoon came off, whatever it was. It wasn't anything big.
Some bubbles. I was hoping for some red, but there's no red here. It's like skipjack.
It's early.
Lots of birds activity.
Must be a mixture of Spanish and ladyfish.
Yeah.
And apparently baby jacks. Yeah, they're on the bottom or towards the bottom. Hey, should we cut one up? Oh, look, that was a big. That wasn't a skipjack.
That was a tarpon.
Skipjack brother.
What is it?
He said it was a tarpon. I just saw a swirl. Oh, probably a skipjack. It's fighting like a little bitch. Probably about to come off.
These ain't your power plant skipjack.
Well, I'm also catching it on a 10-foot rod. Oh, there's my baby jack.
Baby jack.
How cute. That was about the size of the last one. Well, guys, it's safe to say the jacks are freaking here. And they are everywhere. I know it's not as dramatic as my last video, but hey, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. Come on, give me a big red.
One of the best ways to fish with a big spoon, especially if you're targeting redfish, is to bounce the bottom. Cast as far as you can, wait for that thump when it hits the bottom, and then just bounce it all the way in till you get close to the rocks, and then bring it up so you don't get stuck.
Something small. Ladyfish probably. Well, I think something ate the ladyfish. I think I might have lied. Maybe it's a red. It's not a ladyfish. Probably a red. Not yet. I want to see him first. If I can get him up the water column, then I'll get him around these rocks. He don't cut me off. That was a rock. You gotta cut me off right there. Yep. It's a red. I can feel him head shaking. Huh? Yeah. I'm gonna try getting him around that way. Nah, it should be good. If he gets off, I ain't worried about it. Pretty big one. Sheesh. Oh, big boy. Whew. I'm gonna have to get a measurement on that one too. What a fight, man. What a freaking fight. Big daddy red. Alright, we just got this 42-inch bull red on a gold spoon. Been catching small jacks, ladyfish. Got cut off one time and then I hooked up to this. I thought something small, but it started pulling drag like crazy. Ended up being a big old bull red. We get him back, fought me pretty hard. Beautiful. Get a good release on him.
Jetty fishing can be really tough, but sometimes they can also be really rewarding and you can get some fish of a lifetime. Keep your eyes out for fish coming to the top of the water, feeding on bait. Also keep your eyes out along the rocks when there's mullet, especially if they're crashing the rocks. Sometimes there's a fish right behind them. You want to cast right on that. And if you do so happen to go to Port Aransas, make sure you try the spot right here at the tip of the jetty. There's always some fish holding up right there. But make sure you wear your cleats because the rocks can get really slippery and dangerous. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all do, consider hitting that like button and subscribing to the channel for more videos. We'll see y'all on the next one.